Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change date format in Google Sheets using Android phone. So all you have to do now is open a Google Sheets on your Android. So you can try to create a new blank workspace like this and try to write the date here. For example, let's try a start with the day, the month and the year. Or you can try to use formula by a equal today and done. Here we go. This is the different date format that you can try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.